there, crypto enthusiast! Ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency? Let's break down some essential terms you need to know with a bit of fun along the way. First up, cryptocurrency. Think of it as digital money, but way cooler. No banks, just you and your secure digital wallet filled with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Then we have blockchain. Imagine a super secure digital ledger spread across many computers where every transaction is recorded in a block and linked together in a chain. It's like a digital diary, but one that everyone can trust. Mining, no pickaxes here. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex math problems, verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Their reward? New coins. Next, KYC or Know Your Customer. This is where you prove you are who you say you are when signing up for a crypto service. Think of it as showing your ID at the door of an exclusive club. Liquidity. This term describes how easily you can buy or sell a cryptocurrency without causing a price shakeup. High liquidity means smooth and fast trades. Validators. These are the guardians of the crypto world in proof-of-stake systems. They ensure transactions are legit, staking their own coins for the chance to validate and earn rewards. Watch out for volatility. Crypto prices can skyrocket or plummet in a flash, making the market thrilling and risky. Lastly, white papers. These are like the blueprints of a new crypto project, detailing the technology and vision behind the currency. So there you have it, a crash course in crypto lingo. Dive in, stay curious, and remember, the world of cryptocurrency is ever-changing and full of potential. Enjoy the ride!